Hey guys, stick around to learn how to make Zippy's omelet breakfast sandwich in under 5 minutes. All you will need is your favorite cheese, eggs, sweetbread, and Portuguese sausage. This is probably the most easiest and quickest breakfast sandwich you can make. All you need to do is scramble your eggs and cut up your Portuguese sausage. The brand that I'm using today is Pacific Sausage, and it is identical, if not extremely close to the McDonald's Portuguese sausage in their breakfast platter. So if you like that sausage, go and pick up Pacific Sausage brand. I believe they sell it at Sam's Club. Alright, so after you cube up all of your sausage, go ahead and fry them. You're gonna fry them on medium heat, and it's gonna give off a lot of its oils. Keep that because when you add the egg, it'll prevent it from sticking. And it'll feed the omelet more flavor from the sausage. Once the omelet is almost done cooking, sprinkle your shredded cheese. I like using Mexican blend cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like. Turn off and remove from heat. Allow the cheese to melt on top of the eggs while you separate your bread. Once you have all of your sweet rolls, go ahead and slice them 90% through. By this time, your cheese should be melted and ready to load. With just a few ingredients, you can have a very delicious sandwich. And really, you can't go wrong with sweetbread. You can even add a little butter and toast it before you assemble it, and that'll make it even better. But for today, my family's gonna enjoy it just like this, and we hope you like it too.